20 ways to make someone smile. If you want to bring a smile to someone's day, may your day be a little better. It won't cost you a dime, or much time to do it. And because smiling is contagious, it may not be just one person, which may be made to laugh about today. Here are 20 ways to change that frown upside down. 1. Send flowers to your work partner. 2. A compliment to a friend, or a colleague from work, on the basis of their appearance. 3. Donate something to a charity of choice. 4. Invite your friends over for a dinner party. 5. Let someone know that you miss them. 6. An unexpected phone call to your partner at work, just to say hello. 7. Press and hold the doors open for everyone you need to follow. 8. Hug your partner for no reason at all. 9. Let it be an in-joke on your friends' answering machines. 10. Send a card to a friend to get to know what makes a good friend who they really are. 11. Put someone in your place, on the train, when no one is around. 12. Share an umbrella on a rainy day. 13. Just ask yourself the question, if he has something to eat while you shop. 14. If it's raining, plan an indoor picnic with the kids. 15. Leave a love letter where your partner will find it. 16. Send someone an unusual and unexpected gift, candy, flowers, or sex toys. 17. Tell your child that you are proud of them. 18. Tell the person what they think about them on the second day. 19. Prepare a surprise for your partner, and for one night only, especially if they have the inclination to cook. 20. Tell your partner that you love them. Did you know that it takes only 17 muscles to smile and 43 to frown? Why waste energy is great for when you just have a grin on his face. Here are 5 facts about people laugh. 1. Women smile more than men do. 2. Smiling releases endorphins, which make us feel better. 3. We are all born with the ability to laugh about it, and it's not something that we can learn from one another. 4. A smile is a universal expression of happiness. 5. A happy person is more comfortable, attractive, charming, sincere, and who, without a smile. Don't forget to smile is the most convenient and cost-effective way to enhance your appearance.